Loaded na! Oh my God! From Lady Riders to Lady Shooter! Good morning, guys! So, we're on the way to Binangonan because for today's Catventures, magpa-firing tayo ngayon. So, new hobby unlocked. So, 51 minutes pa going there. Doon tayo sa East Ridge Shooting Range. So, yung mga kasama natin today si Steph. Dapat si Mahali kasama rin kaso nga bigla siya nagkaroon ng taping. And sayang kasi yung magte-train sa amin for today is none other than Sir Jethro Janicio, a 6-time world champion. Feeling ko pag tinuruan niya kami later, professional na kagad kami. Guys, umiiyak na yung gas neto. So buti na lang, on the way, yung Uni Oil, of course, magpagas muna tayo. Ay, hello ulit! Hi! Good morning! Yan, dito ako parati nagpapagas pag nag-red kami pupunta Marilaki. So, nakamukhaan ko ulit si Ate Ems. Hello! Ano, full tank. Tapos, diesel. Gas tayong Euro 5 diesel. Good morning! So, dito talaga ako parati nagpapagas sa Uni Oil because they're the only fuel company in the Philippines that offers Euro 5 gasoline and diesel. And dito rin, if kailangan nyo magpa-change oil, meron silang binibenta dito na mga engine oil. So actually, Idemitsu is a Japanese brand. And as you all know, mga products from Japan are very reliable and quality. That's why I trust my motorcycle and soon my car with Idemitsu. Morning, Steph. Classmate for today.
Ibang klaseng lesson tong gagawin natin.
Good morning. Right now, we're at the range. This is what you call downrange. This is where the targets are. This is where you shoot. Then anything behind that, behind like the shooter, 180 degrees, is a danger zone. When we're shooting, yung muzzle of the firearm should not pass behind the shooter. So basic grip muna tayo. If you're a right-handed person, just grip the gun as high as you can. Okay? Yan, walang space. You can see. Okay. Then cover the left side with your left hand. Right thumb over your left. You sandwich the firearm. This one, the trigger finger should be out. You only put this inside if you're aimed at the target and ready to shoot. Yung stance naman, just look at the target as if you're talking to the target. Firearm kasi meron recoil. So, recoil meaning it's gonna kick. So it's gonna push you back. So to have the control, if you're right-handed, put your right leg or right foot a step back. Okay? Weight both legs. Don't lean on the left. Don't lean on the right. Balance ka. But your body, feel your body leaning forward a little bit. Like feel it on your toes. Don't bend from waist down like this because it's gonna be stressful. If you're gonna shoot long, tiring, diba? So, a little lean forward, just like that. Bring the gun high to your eye level. Yan. Align the sights. Put your finger inside the trigger. Squeeze slowly.
Outfit check.
Di ba ang colorful natin today?
So, ito yung polo namin. And then, underneath is our Charlie Designs na jersey.
Walaan nyo na lang kung anong design.
Ang dami kong kulay, girl!
Wala yung shirt na.
So, ito yung mga essentials for today. Ito yung muffs natin. Of course, it's color pink. We also have our Magpul shades/glasses to protect our eyes. Formadong-formado tayo for today, Steph.
Sabi ni Jan, ang dami namang
ang daming ritual. Ang hirap magkaroon ng estudyanteng babae.
Hindi na lang isuot yung mga gamit nila.
Pero,
As cap?
Ayan. Perfect fit. Ito. Yung noise cancelling earmuffs from Savior.
Yeah.
louder. No?
Ayan, better.
After a certain decibel, tsaka siya mag-shutdown.
Ayun. So, parang may noise cancelling siya.
Yes.
If ganun, malakas na. Tapos, if wala naman, kunyari nag-uusap-usap lang kami, ayan, naririnig pa rin naman namin yung isa't isa. Especially when si Sir Jethro gives us instructions.
Good. Again, ha? Ganun lang. Just squeeze slowly. Relax. Huwag mong hilahin yung gun. Hayaan mo siyang sumipa. Just grip it. Oops. Okay. Aim. A. Red dot. Slowly. Squeeze. Slowly. Good.
Wow! May naligaw dito ng konti. So, yan. Yay, good job. So, guys, ito yung una kong ginamit kanina. May scope. So, may laser siya. And then, ito naman yung tatry natin ngayon. So, ito, natin kung gaano kagaling yung aim ko. This one, Sir Jet?
Yes. Push it hard. Good. Then, ano mo ito muna para magaan ka. Baba mo yung hammer. Left thumb dapat. Good. Pull the slide and then let go.
Gets mo?
Good. Sige.
Pwede chest out ka kasi.
Firing.
Atos ka. So chest.
Relax, ha. Align.
Yan.
And when you pull, slowly lang. Align. Good. Good. Good.
Chest.
Yay! Na-aim ko ba ng maayos?
Yeah.
Talaga?
Meron lang, yes. Meron lang dalawa.
Dalawa, Sir Jet?
Dalawa na
naligaw.
Yeah,
doon.
na medyo bumaba.
Ay, okay.
Everything else is in the middle. Ito.
Ayan nga, dito bumagsak.
Yun
And then ito
medyo-
yung bago.
Paghila mo ng trigger, gine-jerk mo siya.
Oo nga, Sir Jet
Nagugulat
eh.
ka sa putok, yan, gine-jerk mo. Kailangan, relax. Just feel the trigger, then pull,
Pull,
straight
okay.
to the back.
Sabi lang dapat.
Yes. Try natin muna. No ammo.
Woo! Ay, it's not that heavy naman pala.
No naman.
Dito
Yeah.
ganun.
Pwede. Dito ka, down range pa rin. Doon, sa same space. Okay, good. Dali yan, nasa shoulder mo yan, nasa buto yan. Dito pa. Inside pa. Inside. Okay, and then, okay. Ito pa. One more Okay. Look straight. Okay? Your head, don't turn it. Out and down. Like yan. Look out. Ulit. Look at me. Don't turn it. Out and down. Like this. Yan.
I'm gonna load it na.
Loaded na!
Hey,
Oh my God!
Derek, urong.
Doble sa ngalay ito. Ha! This is it, guys!
Follow the rules.
Same aiming. Aim in the middle. Anytime you're ready. Okay, you're faced. Okay, lean forward. Okay. Ready.
Wow! Wow! Malakas? Lakas! Oh my God! Ang sarap gamitin! Grabe. Surprisingly, hindi siya malakas mag-recoil. Hindi masyado. As in, in-expect ko super, mas malakas pa.
Wait,
Oh my God! Ang saya! Okay.
So it has so many small, it's called the bird shot.
Oh my God!
So this is
Yun
how
pa
it looks
yun.
like. So different numbers of the ammo, different types of pellet that goes out of the shot shell. So
So,
this is a bird shot. So I think this is number 7.
ito yung magpipierce sa skin mo, ganyan?
Yep.
Hala! Grabe! Intense!
Diba there's about what? 50 of those?
Ang sakit niyan!
Stand by. Go. Wow.
Nice!
How does it feel?
Sarap! Grabe, kakaibang experience. Naka-release lahat ng lahat ng galit sa buong mundo.
Pang New Year.
Starting the year with a bang! Nice!
Slide. Squeeze. Good. Sapul. Relax. Good. Sapul. Relax. Squeeze. Good. Again. Oops. Magalaw talaga.
Magalaw pa eh.
Relax. So, aim. Good.
Ano pa?
Wow. 5 out of 6. Ang galing. Galing.
So, ang ating classmate for today, kamusta ang experience?
Girl, ang saya! Nakaka-addict pala siya. Alam mo yung parang after mo maubos yung isang magazine,
round. Oo.
gusto mo ulit.
Ulit-ulitin,
Kaso,
nakakawala
ano,
ng stress.
Totoo. Pati yung shotgun din. Actually, parang hindi ko din in-expect na kakayanin ko siya. Kasi feeling ko, malaki siya.
Mabigat kasi siya eh. Pero kinaya namin.
Mas kinaya niya. Grabe, tuloy-tuloy kanina.
Na-addict sa shotgun. From Lady Riders to
Lady
Shooters. Good job to us.
Good job.
Then of course, kasama natin ang teacher natin for today, si Sir Jethro. Thank you so much for being patient with us.
Thank you
At
also.
nag-enjoy kami sobra-sobra.
Yes.
Looking forward na kami ni Steph sa next training session natin. And
Alright.
any more tips, Sir Jet? Para sa amin?
Kailangan ng konting strengthening.
Strengthening.
Para mag-grip nyo yung,
Workout
makontrol nyo yung
Workout.
barrel. Yan, workout.
Tapos putulin na yung mga nails.
Tama!
Mauubos na siya. Isa-isa na siyang napuputol.
Isa-isa na siyang nawawala. Kasi naman ang kikay eh, di ba? Hindi kasi it gets in the way of holding the gun. So, ang hirap. Kaya na bumabaon na sa kamay ko yung nails ko. Pero yun. Thank you so much!
Thank
Thank you, Sir Jet. And of course, thank you, Daddy Ken, for this experience. At sinama mo kami sa ating official photographer and videographer, fresh from Japan, Lester Shoots. Thank you, Lester.